Today we are in Al Mawasi, in Khan Yunis. So look at this miserable life that our displaced families and displaced people here live. So we visit this camp and take some photos and videos of displaced families and displaced people here to talk about diseases and how can, as coordinators of Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan, help them. So some children here suffer from skin diseases and hepatitis and السحايا disease.
موجودين قدام في جامعة الأقصى عند مكب نفايات، وعندنا السحالي وكثير يعني بنلاقيها، يعني فجأة بنصحى بنلاقيها حوالينا في البيت، وولادي كلياتهم يعني صار فيهم حب وجروح وكذا من النفايات. بنطالب في منظفات وأدوية كويسة.
We will make some solutions to them to help them and to provide them with some clean stuff. Thank you Al Khidmat Foundation and donors of Al Khidmat Foundation